Today we're going to have another look at the Smith & Wesson 460 Magnum, a revolver so big it came with its own set of factory-installed kickstands. My brother wanted to come out and watch Danny and I film a video last week, and I told him, hey, why don't you bring out your 460 again so Danny can have an opportunity to shoot this thing. Danny is a big Revolver fan, in case you didn't know. My brother bought this revolver several years ago, and it actually came with that bipod on there. When you have a handgun that weighs 5.5 pounds, that bipod actually makes a lot of sense when you're shooting off a bench or shooting prone or out in the field hunting. But of course you can fold up the bipod and shoot this offhand, but your arms do fatigue rather quickly and your aim starts shaking around quite a bit. The 460 Magnum is more than capable of taking big game at ranges up to and beyond 200 yards, normally reserved for rifles. Here we see the cartridge the 460 Magnum uses, and in some cases it's larger than some rifle rounds, such as the 7.62x39 used in the SKS or the AK-47. Loaded with a 300 grain hard-cast bullet that's been powder coated, my brother would call these light target loads. The 460 Magnum cartridge is essentially a 454 Casull that's been lengthened. And yes, you can shoot 454 Casull out of this revolver, just like you can shoot 38 out of a 357 Magnum. This revolver can handle 65,000 psi of barrel pressure, and that's 5,000 psi higher than the 500 Smith & Wesson for those wanting to compare the two handguns. That equates to a faster, flatter shooting bullet for longer ranges. Now, using the right bullet weight and powder load and all that stuff, this is capable of bullet velocities exceeding 2,400 feet per second. So yes, that makes the 460 Smith & Wesson the highest velocity revolver cartridge in the world. Okay, enough of me talking. I'm going to shut up and show you what this thing's capable of doing now. Hope you enjoy it.
Okay, how about a cell phone, Danny? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Now, this was more of a practice shot. A cell phone certainly is no match for this revolver, but I learned real quick that that muzzle brake blows out smoke like a Detroit diesel and obscures the shot, so we'll have to do some creative camera angle work here to correct that. My brother, of course, has shot this thing for years and is real comfortable shooting, and he's really accurate with it, and he shot it right through the number 2 button.
I want to see what this thing will do to the lead plate. 30 pounds of lead. Are you ready? That went in like a 1 ounce slug there. That is, it didn't go through, but it did about as much damage as a 1 ounce slug, in my opinion.
Just the tip.
Wow.
But this is what came out of the hole.
Oh, okay. A little ring.
Now, Danny's a good shot, but just like anyone who's never shot a revolver like this before, they're not going to be as accurate as someone with more experience. But the damage to the plate was rather impressive. That's the type of damage we would normally see from a 12 gauge shotgun slug. And remember, these are just my brother's target loads.
See what it does to a Kevlar vest. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
Oh! Oh! It pushed it through him.
I want it good at 50 yards.
Yeah.
Just, it's for hunting. And then closer than that, I'm gonna hit it. Like Pinocchio.
It stopped it, but almost went through. How about some Australian ballistic gel?
I think that was dead on.
With the consistency, and might I add, the taste of roofing tar, Vegemite is the ballistic target of choice in Australia. So I've read. Now, we were planning on shooting a lot more targets with this gun and really give you a better idea of what it can do, but both of my high-speed camera batteries decided to die, and we had to cut things short. But that just means we'll be able to film it again at a later time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.